Hey there, welcome to Bull and Bill. Today we're tackling one of the hottest questions out there. Can ChatGPT predict the stock market? With all the buzz around AI and some eye-popping reports of models outperforming human traders, you've got to wonder, can ChatGPT really call the next big market moves? We've heard the stories of AI trading breakthroughs like algorithms with 500% returns and predictions so sharp they seem like magic. But is ChatGPT part of that revolution? Can you actually use it as your personal financial advisor? Let's find out together. Before we dive into ChatGPT's potential to predict the stock market, let's break down what it's actually designed to do. ChatGPT is a language model, trained to generate text based on patterns it learned from vast amounts of information. But unlike financial models built for trading, it wasn't trained on stock market data or economic indicators. Number 1. ChatGPT identifies language patterns, not stock patterns. Number 2. While it can pick up general sentiment about companies or markets, it doesn't understand financial metrics, price histories, or the countless variables that impact stocks. And number 3. ChatGPT isn't tuned into live data, no updates from today's stock prices or the latest headlines affecting markets. So, ChatGPT operates like a smart researcher who can summarize the big picture but isn't reading real-time data or interpreting market signals. But does that mean it can't help at all? Let's look closer. Here's where things get interesting. In recent experiments, AI-driven trading algorithms have achieved some wild returns, like that 500% return model you may have heard about. But what's the real story here? These high-performing models are often custom-built for trading, incorporating specialized data feeds and powerful machine learning techniques. ChatGPT is a different type of AI. It was trained for general knowledge, not financial calculations or predicting stock prices. For example, if a specialized AI model can analyze thousands of stocks in real time, ChatGPT can only summarize broad financial trends based on past information. So, while it's powerful in language analysis and sentiment tracking, predicting market moves is a whole different game. In fact, some investors have experimented with using ChatGPT for quick overviews of company reports or to get a sense of public sentiment. But relying on it for accurate, market-beating predictions is a bit like asking a librarian to double as a stockbroker. It's just not equipped for the job. Quick fact break. Did you know that algorithmic trading began as early as the 1970s? Back then, early algos helped Wall Street firms execute trades faster. But today's AI-powered algorithms do much more, analyzing everything from price patterns to social media trends for trading insights. But here's a twist. Despite their advancements, even the most powerful AI models in finance need constant tweaking and expert oversight. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is built to excel in language and research, not to dive deep into data and spit out stock picks. So, why doesn't ChatGPT work as a stock prediction tool? Let's break down some limitations that explain why. First, ChatGPT wasn't built for quantitative finance. It's not designed to understand or interpret historical price data, economic indicators, or market patterns. Second, while ChatGPT can summarize public sentiment, it doesn't see or learn from real-time events, like today's earnings reports or new policies. And finally, stock market forecasting requires an ongoing flow of fresh data. ChatGPT's responses are based on knowledge capped at its training cutoff and aren't influenced by live updates. For example, if there's breaking news today about a major company acquisition, ChatGPT wouldn't know unless you told it, so it's missing a huge part of what real trading algorithms and analysts rely on. Alright, so where does ChatGPT actually shine in the world of investing? Let's look at its strengths because, while it's not a predictor, it's still an incredible assistant for certain financial tasks. For instance, investors use ChatGPT to save time on research by summarizing complex financial reports or providing sentiment snapshots on a company's public perception. It can comb through piles of data and quickly summarize trends. Let's say you're interested in a company and want to know what's being said about it. ChatGPT can scan news, earnings calls, and reviews to provide a big-picture sentiment analysis. You're not getting predictive insights, but you're getting more background to make an informed decision yourself. Think of it as a fast assistant who gives you highlights but leaves the final judgment to you. In that way, ChatGPT is a fantastic time saver, even if it's not a market oracle. Let's clear up a few myths. One common question is, Can I use ChatGPT as my stock advisor? Here's the short answer. No, it's not built for that. ChatGPT doesn't have real-time updates or access to current stock data, so its insights won't match those of a dedicated financial analyst or AI-driven trading bot. And another popular misconception, people sometimes think ChatGPT can learn about markets in real time, but it can't. Its knowledge is fixed at its training cutoff, so it doesn't know about recent events unless you tell it. So if you're dreaming of ChatGPT as your personal stock guru, keep in mind it's more of a helpful assistant than a trading tool. Where does this leave us in terms of AI's future in trading? Right now, specialized AI models are being developed specifically for finance. These models use real-time data, deep learning, and sophisticated algorithms to identify patterns and make trading decisions, something ChatGPT simply isn't built to do. Experts agree that AI is likely to play a big role in finance moving forward, but that doesn't mean it's replacing human judgment anytime soon. The stock market is complex, with countless variables from economic policies to consumer trends impacting every trade. So, while ChatGPT could become even more useful for researching and summarizing financial information, it won't replace the nuanced insights and judgment that human traders bring to the table. Alright, let's recap. Can ChatGPT predict the stock market? Not in any reliable, predictive way, but it can be a powerful research tool for investors. Its strength is in processing large amounts of information, analyzing public sentiment, and helping with research tasks, which can save time and give you a big-picture view. The bottom line? Think of ChatGPT as an assistant in your investing toolkit rather than your decision-maker. Market forecasting requires a complex mix of data, strategy, and real-time analysis, and that's just not what ChatGPT is built for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights from Bull and Bill. Stay curious, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next one.